memories.
More adventures.
More s'mores. More together time.
More time with the grandkids.
More quiet moments.
More campfire time. Find more in 2024 at the Indy RV Expo and Sale.
Your path to more starts with a new RV.
At the Indiana State Fairgrounds, Indianapolis.
The 2024 Indy RV Expo and Sale.
Indiana's largest RV show.
January 6 and 7 and 10 through 14.
Closed Monday and Tuesday.
Indiana State Fairgrounds, where it's nice and warm indoors.
Show hours, dates, and advanced discount tickets online.
Visit IndyRVExpo.com.
The Indy RV Expo and Sale.
When Indiana's best dealers compete, deals can't be beat.
All the best brands, hundreds of all types of RVs.
Find motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers.
There's parts and accessories, factory representatives, on-the-spot financing.
Camping and campground information. Plus, booth exhibits and lots of family fun.
All admission tickets, buy one, get one free Wednesday through Friday.
January 6 and 7 and 10 through 14 at the Indiana State Fairgrounds.
Indy RV Expo show hours.
Saturdays open 10 to 8.
Sundays open 11 to 5.
Closed Monday the 8th and Tuesday the 9th.
And Wednesday through Friday open 1 to 8.
Find more in 2024.
Indy RV Expo show hours, dates, and discount tickets at
IndyRVExpo.com.
the 2024 Indy RV Expo and Sale.
Visit us at the Indiana State Fairgrounds and see the newest and latest and greatest RVs.
January 6 and 7 and 10 through 14 at the Indiana State Fairgrounds.
Your path to finding more starts with a new RV at the 2024 Indy RV Expo and Sale.